Hello and good afternoon. My name is Gerald Reynolds and this is my first video presentation. Robin Landis states that using visual color can be an effective attention-getting tool as well as an emotional evoking element. I decided to use the color red for the United States flyer because it is said that red is patriotic. And being a veteran-owned and operated business, I decided to keep with the patriotic theme. I chose to use the color green for the Nigerian flyer because the flag, because their flag is showcased in green, and I decided to make a flyer about making connections because we're all about joining the community and want to show the perception of coming together. So you see here in this image and this image there. I decided to use the X and Y axis for each flyer to keep the flyers clean and concise and easy to read. I decided to use straight lines around the borders because no difference is all about staying organized, and straight lines is perceived as being organized. Last but least, the contrast of blending the image in the middle is for the viewers so that we can draw the viewers towards the middle and then to the information on each of the flyers. It said that showcasing an image in the middle and contrasting it in allows the viewers to focus on that image. That is my first video presentation. Thank you for listening.